Something massive is unfolding in the crypto world, and if you're invested, you need to hear this. We've got breaking news on Bitcoin, major updates for Ethereum, a final resolution in the Ripple versus SEC saga, and a bombshell announcement involving Donald Trump and Crypto.com launching crypto ETFs amid controversy. And just wait until you hear what Michael Saylor said. This new clip is absolutely shocking. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss a second of this.
I think that I've just answered the question.
Let's start with a crucial Bitcoin development. Just in, the Oklahoma House has officially passed the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve legislation, making it the latest state to take this bold step. Oklahoma now joins Texas, Arizona, and Utah in pushing Bitcoin reserve bills at the state level. Here's why this matters to you. While Arizona is leading the charge, it's already passed Committee 1, Chamber 1, Committee 2, and is now under debate in Chamber 2. Oklahoma is rapidly progressing, just clearing Committee 2. More and more states are saying yes to holding Bitcoin in their treasuries, signaling a shift towards mainstream state adoption. Meanwhile, in a headline-grabbing move, Trump media has partnered with Crypto.com and Yorkville, America, to roll out a suite of crypto-heavy ETFs. This collaboration is a game changer, featuring Bitcoin, Crypto.com's Cronos, CRO token, and other digital assets. As expected, Bitcoin and CRO holders were thrilled, but not everyone is celebrating. Crypto.com CEO Chris shared a tweet featuring photos of himself in the White House, meeting with President Trump, confirming this strategic partnership. But controversy looms. Crypto watchdog ZachXBT has called out Crypto.com, accusing them of shady tokenomics, pointing out they recently reissued 70 billion CRO that were previously burned in 2021. That's a staggering 70% of total supply, sparking outrage within the community. Crypto.com insists the move was community approved, but critics argue the decision was manipulated since Crypto.com elites control the majority of voting power. Remember the massive 2021 burn announcement? Now it seems those tokens are back in circulation. Big news for XRP. Ripple's chief legal officer just confirmed what should be the final update in the years-long legal battle with the SEC. Last week, the SEC agreed to drop its appeal without conditions, and now Ripple has dropped its cross appeal, effectively bringing this case to an end. The final verdict? The SEC will hold on to $50 million of the $125 million fine, while the rest is refunded to Ripple. It's over. This battle is officially behind us. What does this mean for XRP investors? For now, we wait and watch.
We're thrilled with the ultimate outcome. It allows us to really unlock the U.S. market.
Speaking of XRP, the price remains range-bound, trading around $2.45. Will this legal victory ignite a rally? We'll keep a close eye on the charts. Let's talk Bitcoin and macroeconomics. April 2nd is a date every crypto investor should circle on their calendar. Why? Because that's when Trump's new reciprocal tariffs kick in. Historically, tariffs and trade tensions have affected the crypto market. More tariffs, potential price dips. Fewer tariffs, market relief, and upside movement. Trump recently hinted that he might soften the blow. I may give a lot of countries breaks, but it's reciprocal. But we might be even nicer than that. This could be huge. If the market was expecting harsher measures, but Trump dials it back, we could see positive price action. If he doubles down, brace for volatility.
Well, I may give a lot of countries breaks, but it's reciprocal, but we might be even nicer than that. You know, we've been very nice to a lot of countries for a long time, but I call it Liberation Day. April 2nd is Liberation Day. But today, as you know, we did something with respect to Venezuela. You heard about that, and that will be quite important. We'll be announcing some additional tariffs over the next few days, having to do with automobiles, cars, and having also to do a little bit with lumber down the road.
The key takeaway? April 2nd is a make-or-break moment for the market. If Trump eases expectations, expect a bullish reaction. If he goes in hard, expect the opposite. We'll keep it simple. Watch and be ready. Now, what's happening with Ethereum? It just had its worst first quarter in history. 3 straight months in the red. Could this mean Q2 will be its best ever? The data suggests something big is brewing. The stablecoin supply on Ethereum has hit an all-time high. Investors aren't cashing out. They're holding, likely gearing up for something. Even more interesting, the supply of ETH on centralized exchanges just hit a 9-year low. When BTC exchange reserves dried up in January, it led to a major price surge. Could Ethereum be setting up for the same? Typically, when investors move coins off exchanges, they aren't looking to sell. They're preparing to hold. And when demand kicks in but supply is locked away in cold storage, price tends to skyrocket. Let's watch closely. And in altcoin news, gaming is getting a boost. Star Heroes, one of the biggest multiplayer esports space shooters, has officially integrated with Superverse. Superverse is a powerhouse behind top crypto games like Play Metal Core, Wilder World, and Off the Grid. This partnership lets super holders stake tokens to earn Star Force points, level up NFTs, and get bonus experience. The crypto gaming sector is booming, and these kinds of integrations are fueling its growth. Finally, in a move that has the crypto world buzzing, Michael Saylor just revealed his ultimate plan for his Bitcoin holdings. It's now confirmed. Upon his death, Saylor will destroy his personal Bitcoin keys, effectively removing those coins from circulation forever. This is a shocking revelation. Watch this 1-minute, 22-second clip where he dances around the question before dropping the bombshell at the end.
You'll just leave your money to the human race, and everybody that believes what I believe, right? I believe in Satoshi and his vision, sovereignty, property rights, freedom, economic empowerment, economic immortality. I believe nobody should be able to steal your money. I believe you should get to keep it. And so if I believe that and I burn those keys, then I have made everybody in the network that much richer and more powerful forever. And they have the option to do the same, or maybe they'll use that power for good in a way that they deem to be appropriate. And you're like, well, who'd you give the most power to? I gave the most power to the person that believed the most what I believe, right? I mean, everybody has the choice to join the network with $1, $100, $1 million, $1 billion, or $1 trillion, right? So everybody gets to join, and we're all in it together from now to eternity. So yeah, that's my legacy.
I guess that begs the question, would you ever burn all your Bitcoin?
I think that I've just answered the question in the most responsible way that anybody would ever answer the question.
There you have it. Major moves in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Trump's crypto play. If you found this update valuable, make sure to like and subscribe. Stay ahead of the curve, and I'll see you in the next video.